Smith, do you have a moment?
Ah, what's up, boss?
You and your crew have been assigned to an incident command for the next couple days.
What do you need us to do?
You'll have to ask Mike over at the TMC. He knows all the details.
All right, but last time we did this, we ended up busting the axle on a bucket truck because of some half-baked plan. I don't want to put my people at risk again.
I understand. I don't want you or your crew to go into a bad situation. How about that kid from last month's training?
I'll go take a look.
Thank you.
Yeah, is this Mike in the TMC? Yeah, this is Smith in operations. I understand I'm being assigned to an incident command today. Yeah, before I can take responsibility for that, I'm going to need a few questions answered.